Hi boys and girls! Today we're going to learn about this week's party ladder. I kind of wanted to take a little time to explain to you what the party ladder this week is about because it looks a little bit different than last week. So I'm going to talk about that right now. The first thing I want to talk about is this word down here that says genre. A genre is a type of story that you can read. So if you notice, there's a couple different types of stories or genres, if we want to use our fancy word, that you can read this week, that I would like you to read this week. So the first thing I want you to do is put your name up there. Miss Cummings Party Ladder. Or if your name is Chase, this would be Chase's Party Ladder. Or if your name is Tajala, this would be Tajala's Party Ladder. Or if your name is Mabel, this would be Mabel's Party Ladder. All right? So make sure you get your name on there first. The next thing that I want you to do is I want you to choose a book from each genre. And I want you to fill in the title. Okay? So you can choose books from Raz Kids. You can choose books from Epic. Some of you have started using Epic this week. You can choose books from home. You can find books on BookFlix. You can use books from Ryan and Craig. Whatever works for you. So once you've decided on those books, you can write them in there. Miss Cummings' Party Ladder this week is going to be, my poetry is a poem called The Homework Machine. What a good poem. That's from this book. It's called A Light in the Attic by one of my favorite authors. His name is Shel Silverstein. Maybe I'll have to save this one to read to you guys another time. My adventure book is called Flat Stanley. That one I found on Epic, which I'm so excited to read because I've heard it's such a good story. And then the last one is called Planets from National Geographic, and that one is actually from our classroom at school. We started writing an informational piece on it right before we left school in March. And so that's going to be my nonfiction, which means it's not fake, it's a true story. All right? Now I want to talk to you about the most important part of the party ladder. Okay, so this is the best part. You get to celebrate after you finished your party ladder. Now on your party ladder, there's a little description. Miss Cummings was going to print out the party ladder and use that one, but my printer broke. So I had to make my own, which wasn't too hard to do. But it has a little description underneath, and it says, if you finish the party ladder, you can send it to Miss Cummings through email or through Seesaw, and I will send you something really cool for a celebration. All right? I can't tell you what it is. It's like a secret celebration. So you guys, if you can finish this by Friday, you guys can send it to me and get the secret celebration. All right? You can finish it early if you decide you want to read all 3 genres in one day. That's okay. That's awesome. If you decide that you want to read maybe 2 on Monday, skip Tuesday, and then work on 1 Wednesday, that's okay. If you want to do 1 each day, that's cool too. All right? I can't wait to see what you guys choose on your party ladders. Maybe I'll get some good ideas for reading. Bye.